Well, hello and welcome back to another bookish video from the Mouse Diva. That's me, Dana.
Moving pictures. Hello there, moving pictures.
What's up, Doc?
I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl.
I have the Books Inside Boxes book subscription box. So I'm going to run down really quick just in case you haven't seen like 2 years worth of these unboxings. But every single month another state is represented. So we are getting, we're halfway through. Yeah, we're halfway through the states now. So the book, the book will take place in that state that's represented, whether it be a real or a fictional town. Some of the bookish or goodie items, edible items, will also be from that state. And the purpose of this is to support independent bookstores and small businesses. So I hope that you have seen all of my other unboxings. Now let's find out which state is represented this month. Well, actually, I already know. And why do I already know? Because I opened the box, I took out the book, I read the back, and I'm like, ooh, you know what? I have some time this evening. I'm going to start reading this book. And about an hour later, I messaged Karen on Instagram. Karen's the creator of this box. You can follow them on Instagram, Books Inside Boxes. And I messaged her, and I said, if I don't get to sleep until 4 a.m. this morning, it's all your fault because I cannot put this book down. So I did finish this book it was just over 24 hours. I think it was just after midnight the next night. So basically, it could have been done in one sitting if, I didn't have to sleep and go to work the next day. Very, very good book. So I know what state is represented, and you are getting ready to find out. So our October box takes us to a state where over 85% of the land is used for agriculture, and this state famously has more pigs than people. Okay, so this is one of the reasons I love her letter. First of all, look, every single box has a whole page letter here. I love that she throws in interesting tidbits and facts and trivia because I love that kind of stuff. So really enjoy these letters, Karen. A popular tourist attraction is the farmhouse that inspired artist Grant Wood's American Gothic. Do y'all know yet? The trampoline, sliced bread machine, and vending machines were all created in this state. Columnist Ann Landers and author Bill Bryson were both born here, so you may know now. For October, we travel to, yes, the Hawkeye State, Iowa. So, let's get to the book. Okay, The Overnight Guest. So this true crime writer goes and stays in this old farmhouse out in Iowa in the middle of the winter. And this farmhouse, years and years ago, had 2 people murdered in the house. And she's staying in the house. She's working on a book. She's trying to finish this book up. She's staying in the house. There's a snowstorm. And she goes out and she goes out chasing after not really chasing after the dog. The dog won't come in, okay? So which is odd. And she goes out, she sees the dog sniffing around something in the snow. And I'm not really spoiling too much because they tell you what she finds in the snow. Now granted, they don't mention the dog, but that's not too much of a spoiler, right? And she goes up close, and it is a small child, basically almost frozen, like just any, too much longer out there, and that child wouldn't have made it. She brings this child in. She can't go anywhere. The phone lines are dead. Like, she has this child, and she's trying, she's basically trying to nurse this child, back to warmth of being alive. And let's just say that the mystery and the suspense keeps building so much that the Mouse Diva didn't want to put this book down. So, highly recommend it. I gave it 5 stars because I couldn't put it down. Yeah. So what else is in the box? Let's see. We got to figure out what independent bookstores represented. And that is going to be Beaverdale Books in Des Moines, Iowa. Little bookmark was included. So what does she say about this bookstore? Our indie bookstore partner for October is Beaverdale Books. They opened in 2006. We've included their store bookmarks and logo stickers. Oh, there we go. And logo stickers in this month's box. So let me just tell you what Karen tells you about the book. The Overnight Guest. This mystery novel follows a true crime writer who rents a farmhouse in rural Iowa that was the site of a murder. During her stay, she becomes snowed in and a mysterious child appears at her door. This unnerving story weaves multiple timelines and will keep you guessing to the very end. Okay, so of course, you know me, I'm always trying to figure these things out. So I did figure it out before the end. But that's okay. You keep reading, the suspense is still there because I wanted that validation that I was right. All right, Taste the State with 2 treats from a small business from Iowa. First, a roasted corn snack from Heart of Iowa Marketplace. This company has been around for over 30 years, working to source Iowa-made products from small businesses and farms across the state. Mr. Mouse Diva loves corn nuts. I was so excited to see this in the box because this is one little thing checked off the stocking for Christmas. Okay, and the second treat is a candy themed for Halloween. Snickers flavored coffee from Blue Strawberry Coffee Company. Blue Strawberry opened in 2003 in Marion, Iowa. Snickers flavored? Ooh. So I almost want to save this and put that in his stocking too. But I really, really want to try it. But I'm going to be good. I'm going to put that in his stocking also. Keep the boxes coming, Karen, with all my stocking stuffers, okay? I need some things for my kids. They're in their 20s, so if you would consider that, Karen, that in the next box, something that I could put in their stocking. I'm just, just saying, just asking. And it wouldn't be a spooky month without a book-themed item. This month, the boxes included one of 3 ghost book-themed pens. I will post pictures of all 3 designs on Instagram. These pens came from Scribble and Scroll. This is a mother-daughter run design company that opened in 2024 and is based in North Carolina, my home state. Like now. I wasn't born in North Carolina, but I've lived here for over 26 years. So, she did do a little poll on Instagram, and I can't remember what the question was. She was like, I have 3 different designs of something that's going in the October box. So, I really can't. I wish I could remember what the questions were, but I answered the question that would get me this adorable pen with a ghost under the book. However, I'm going to insert a picture right now of all 3 of those pins. I need the one with a tombstone. Like, I have to have that. If you watch my family channel, Life's a Whirlwind, you know that I do a lot of cemetery vlogs. Well, I haven't in a long time. I've been to the cemeteries. I just haven't edited the vlogs and got them up. But anyway, to explore the people that are buried in cemeteries. And I just love it. So I really need that tombstone pin. So I guess I am going to be going to their website and ordering me that pin because I have to. Matter of fact, I might even order one for my sister because she's like, she loves cemeteries also, cemeteries, graveyards. And I might order one of those for her for Christmas too. So thank you, Karen, for another wonderful Books Inside Boxes. Subscribe, hit the bell notification button so you'll know when another bookish video is uploaded, because my other content is always Disney content. Until the next page.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. I've been all around the world. Every city, every place.